Hello and welcome back to my channel, and in this video, yes, you've got it, it's going to be the motion sensor LED lights, and they come in white and black, and this is a pack of 6. So these are going to be great for the stairs. So if you have anybody that, you know, maybe they work late, maybe they don't want to disturb anybody else in the house, or maybe people are very light sensitive and they just want soft lights in the evening, or maybe you have somebody who is elderly and they need sensory lights in the house. I mean, it's not just for stairs, you can put them anywhere, and they're just great for not using the light switch. You just literally just walk into whatever room or in the landing and the lights just automatically come on because they are motion censored. So let's get this open and let's see what you get in this box. These are from Amazon, and I will leave a link down below for this. So this is what you get inside. So you see, you get your pack of lights. There's 6 here, and you can see that's where you will be charging them up. So these are great, and they're not battery powered. They're actually USB chargeable. So they give you the little cables here, and as you can see, this is the end that you will be sticking in. You might even have spares of these at home, because I think they can be quite universal for things and other objects that you might be charging up. So that becomes handy. And these days we do have a lot of USB plugs, so this shouldn't be a problem to charge for anybody. And you do get 2 cables, so that's pretty neat that you get 2, because if you lose one, you've got this. But I'm sure you'll probably find that you do have some of these cables at home as well, but it's nice that you get 2 of those. So there we go, that is how they will be charged. Now I'm going to just open this box and take it out. Right, so what else do you get here? You obviously get a thank you card from the supplier, and you also get a set of instructions as well, because these lights, as you can see here, the single press is for instant lighting, the double press is for the motion sensor lighting, and the long press is also to adjust the light so it can brighten up. If the longer you press, have a hold on that press, it actually brightens up the light. So there is basically a lot to do with instructions directly. So again, what I'm going to say to you as well is that there are many things, there are different ones you can get of these, and some of them come with Velcro strips. I didn't like that idea. I've used in the past magnetic strips, so I decided to go with that. So basically you would just peel this, put it where you want on the wall. There are magnets here, so if you put this on a radiator, it will automatically fix. It's already magnetic, so literally it will just stick to anything magnet, so you don't need one on here. So I decided to go the magnet. It's just a matter of preference. Like I said, they do the Velcro as well, so you stick these wherever you want, and these will automatically, and if you do want them on radiators, which some people do, they're already magnetic. Or if you have any magnetic surfaces that you want these to go on, maybe you want to use them outside, you might use them on iron gate, I'm sure they will work just as well. Okay, so now we've got all that sorted out, because that literally would just tell you about sticking, as you can see there. So that's why I mentioned that, because the other part of the instructions is how you will adjust them to walls or whatever surface that you want to put them on. So that's that. So what I want to do is I'm going to put them on my stairs. I think the average stairs you have in normal houses is about 13, so every 2 steps I think I'm going to be putting these on. And yeah, I don't know whether I'll put them on the side, I don't know whether I'll put them in the middle. I will have a look online, and that's what I normally do, see where people put them. I think normally I see these running along the side of the staircase, and that's how they will light up. But this is going to be a great demonstration and review video for this product, and I'm going to be doing that now. So the next part of this video will be me installing these onto the surfaces, and yeah, I think that they do light up. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration now. That I don't need to charge them right now. I think there is a bit of charge on these, so let's have a look. Maybe that one isn't. Let me just check. I do know that they have lit up before. Put a hold on it. There you go. And like I said, you can brighten it as long as you keep your finger on. It's probably not showing up now because it's very light, but in a darker room that would show up more. That's probably the sensor one lighting. But like I said, we're going to have to test these out in the evening. But it does let a lot of light, I can assure you of that. Right, so next job will be installing the product. Okay, so here we are in the hallway, and these are the stairs going up. So I just need to decide what I'm going to do. Is I'm going to be putting these lights along the stairs, whether it's going to be well, there's both walls, I don't know, on that side or that side, but I think they would look nice actually coming from this side up. So yeah, so what we need to do is we need to, actually, I don't know, I think it could also look nice on this side as well. So yeah, I might put them on this side going up actually. So we've got roughly about 14 steps going up. So the main place that I want these to go is going to be, we're going to start from the bottom of the stairs. So we're going to start from the bottom of the stairs. So I'm going to maybe go, I don't know, at the bottom and then go up. So there's just this wall here. I'm going to have to space it out just along this wall here and till we get to the top of that part, and then just space out 6 places evenly till we get to the bottom of these stairs. And I think that is how I'm going to do this. So I'm just going to get a pencil and I'm just going to mark where I want these 6 to go. So as you can see, I've put 6 markers. This is one of my markers here that you can see close up. So I've done that throughout the length of the staircase, and I've divided it so it's in equal 6 parts. So what we're going to do is we are going to now stick the magnet onto the wall where I've put that little dot. So I'm just going to take off the backing of this so it can stick down, exposing the magnet. As you can see, I've got them running all up that line of the stairs, and it's in good leg range as well. So yeah, so the thing is, it's not very good to test these right now because obviously it's in the daytime, so they're not really going to work. We need to wait until the evening comes, and that will show us how this is going to light up. But I can show you a little bit like bottom ones, how they're lighting up. So they can give you a lovely soft glow.